Good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are going to show you a 1972 Oldsmobile 442 convertible. Now, this beautiful black 442, now, a little story about the car. This car has a numbers matching 455 engine underneath the hood, with a numbers matching 400 turbo automatic transmission. This car sat in a California garage until 2016, where it was purchased, and then the car underwent a nut and bolt frame off restoration. Now, this car is triple black with a silver graphite stripe down the hood, silver striping, accent striping, as you can see. I'm going to tell you, this is a very, very, very high quality car. I'd say the body, paint, interior in this car, I give this car a 9.5 out of 10. I never think anything's a perfect 10, but this car is probably about as close to being a 10 as you're going to find. Like I say, numbers matching 455 under the hood, triple black car, factory power steering, factory power brakes, factory air conditioning, and it's one of, 1,100 or one of 1,800, I think it said, produced in 1972. And with that 455 engine under the hood, man, what a gorgeous car. Check out the quality of this car. Ram air setup on it. Say power steering, brakes, air. Check out that engine. This, when you go to buy a car, this is what you like to see. It's not what you necessarily always see because the cars are not restored to this quality, but this one is. And they done a fantastic job. I took one look at this car and I said, we have to own this car. So I bought the car, and somebody is going to be very, very, very happy. You can see it's got the color keyed Oldsmobile rally wheels with the wide oval Firestone tires. It really honestly just doesn't get any better. For you Oldsmobile fans, this is the, holy grail Oldsmobiles, right? I mean, it's not a W30, but I mean a triple black 455. Power steering, brakes, factory air, factory power windows, factory bucket seats, factory center console. Wood grain dash and door panels. Original Oldsmobile steering wheel. Check out the jams, doors, panels, just the boot cover. Even the spare tire has a matching Firestone wide oval on it. I'll open the trunk here and show you here in a second. There it is. Even has the rally wheel with the wide oval, the jack, the tools, the jack instructions, hell, even the trunk light works. All new weather stripping, all new seals. Like I say, frame off nut and bolt restoration. No disappointments here. None at all. Interior is gorgeous. Original rubber Oldsmobile floor mats. 51,000 miles. They are, according to the previous owner, they are correct miles. Obviously, we're going to sell it. Miles are exempt. Dash lights. Left turn, right turn. The clock works.
up and down in the car. Bright headlight indicator. Like I said, left turn, right turn. We'll get out and check the lights. Dash is in beautiful shape. Kick panels, sun visors, rear view mirrors. I don't think you're going to find a better 442 anywhere in the country. 455 numbers matching, 400 turbo numbers matching. All four eyes are on. Right turn signal. Turn the left one on here in a second. Man, just look how laser straight that body and paint is on this car. Look. Laser straight body. Engine sounds great. Check out your door gaps. I'm telling you, you're not going to find a nicer Oldsmobile. This car should probably be in some national Oldsmobile show because it's just that nice. I will have this car priced on my website here probably later today or maybe tomorrow. This isn't a cheap car though, folks. This car is well over $100,000 car. Probably gonna price this car around 120, 125. I haven't decided yet exactly, but I'm gonna tell you what, you can go try to find comps and try to find one that's as good, and I don't know that you will. So I just absolutely love this car. In fact, you know, you've watched enough of my videos, you've seen enough of my cars, you know that we don't buy cars that we don't like. So obviously when I buy one, I like it. Here we go. I didn't even step on it hardly. It's just wheeling the tires. Wow, car drives amazing, sounds amazing. Sun's super bright. Look at that. You can see how nice the paint. Look at the clouds in the hood. You can see all the reflection. I'm telling you folks, if you are looking for a 442 convertible, just set your satchel down on this one, because this is the car that you are looking for and have been looking for a long time. This runs and drives like an absolute dream. I'll stop here at this little drive around this, roadside park here, and we'll do a turnaround, and I'll get out and show you the outside of the car just like I normally do. I like showing you guys what these cars look like out in the sunlight, and this car is no exception to the rule. This thing is Black Beauty, so get out and show you here quick. Just remember, Cheap things aren't good. Good things aren't cheap. This is a big boy car here. Clouds are really neat. Now, I'm not going to take this car out and be burning rubber with it or anything. I did get on it a little bit there at the beginning, and there we go. That's what you're getting. We already know the car runs and drives just absolutely phenomenal. So, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa 563-450-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So give us a call on this 1972 Olds Cutlass 442 convertible with the numbers matching 455. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality classic car. And I hope you all have a great afternoon. It is honestly a pleasure driving this beautiful 442, so I think I might just take it for a little bit longer cruise. So I'll talk to you guys later.